Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you stopped by. Today's video is a DIY glam vase. I got the original vase and the mirrored tiles from the Dollar Tree and the glitter from Walmart. So if you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. For this project, I have a vase that I got at the Dollar Tree, and it's, I think they call them a tulip vase because of the way it goes in at the top. And I don't know if you can see that or not. I have some mirrored tiles from the Dollar Tree, and I have cut strips. I have Mod Podge and some paintbrushes. I've got a container that I'm going to put glitter in, and I have Recollections extra fine holographic glitter, and I have, I think it's pronounced Sullen. It's Party Blend Unicorn Disco, and it's a chunky holographic glitter. I got this at Walmart and this at Michael's. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these mirrored tiles and I'm gonna put them along the bottom, and I don't know if I'm gonna go at the top or the indentation of the vase. Okay, the bottom mirrors just went right around like so, and I used the table top to keep this straight. Now the top is a lot harder because it's flared out, so what I'm doing is cutting these mirrors in two segments, and I'm just going to put these on here, and I'm going to even them out using the table top the best I can. Okay, now that I have the mirrors adhered on there, and I'm pretty sure they're going to hold. If not, I'll get out the E6000. But I'm going to mix up some glitter. And I'm going to start off with the Ultra Fine. And then I'm going to add some of this chunky glitter to it. And the reason that I'm using the Ultra Fine with the chunky is for it to fill in any little spaces. And hopefully this is going to do what I want it to do. Okay. Now for my Mod Podge, and I'm going to put a nice coat, nice relatively thick coat of Mod Podge on the glass, and then put the glitter on top of that. And I don't want this too thick, because I can always add more. And I'm putting this on a plate, styrofoam plate. So I know that I've told you before that I don't dip into the jar and come back out, just so that I don't contaminate what's in the jar. And this is a nice soft brush. And you could actually do this with any color glitter that you wanted. I just have a real thing about silver holographic. And I'm using an angle brush so that I can get up against the mirror tiles without going all over the place. And I'm going to put this glitter on the wet part. And then I'll be adding more Mod Podge, working my way up to the other mirrors at the top. And after I'm all done with this, I'll be sealing it. Probably with Mod Podge again, although I may spray it with clear spray paint. We'll see. And I don't know if you can see the way the fine glitter is in between the chunky, so I don't have these big empty spaces. So I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, I got a good coat all the way around, and I'm going to let this dry before I do anything else to it. And a little tip: how do you know when it's dry? When it doesn't look white on the inside, because Mod Podge dries clear. So after this dries, I'll be putting a coat of Mod Podge on the glitter, or spray it with clear triple thick paint. We'll have to see what the weather's like outside before I go messing around with that. Okay, I actually gave this 2 coats of Krylon triple thick clear paint, and that's sealing in the glitter so we don't have fallout, because God love my husband, glitter finds him. So I usually try to mix this with Mod Podge and turn it into a glitter paint, or paint it with a clear coat or a layer of Mod Podge. But I just absolutely love the way this turned out. And the sparkle is just absolutely amazing. So, if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.